Recently, Prada did a collaboration with Adidas. They literally transformed the Superstar sneaker into a luxury shoe. With your sneakers, you do get a nylon dust bag with a drawstring closure, and then you do get a card of authenticity. Design-wise, these guys are almost identical to the original Superstars. Where you find the main difference is the construction is completely elevated. The sizing for these guys are very tricky. Prada in general runs big. I've always experienced that no matter what I've gotten from them, I always have to size down. Of course, if you're able to, I would always recommend going into a store and actually being able to try on the shoe yourself. However, if that is not an option, heavily rely on the sizing chart they provide. I always go by my French sizing, that's just what I'm most familiar with. My French size is a 43. The closest they have on the chart is a 43 and 1/3, which I know is just going to be too big. So the next thing that's closest is a 42 and 2/3. So that would be an 8.5 in the Prada sizing. That's what I got, and those shoes fit perfectly. If you're still uneasy about selecting your size, you can always go on the store's website and contact a customer service representative, and they would be able to assist you. Here we have both shoes side by side, the original Superstars and then the Prada Superstars. The main differences between the two is the original Superstar is heavily padded and cushioned, where the Prada Superstars aren't. They're completely leather on the inside, which is great, but a massive difference if you're used to heavy cushioning.